Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
The Hampton Style Kitchen exudes a timeless elegance that combines coastal charm with classic sophistication. Inspired by the coastal residences in the Hamptons, this design aesthetic brings a breath of fresh air into the heart of the home. One of the defining features of a Hampton-style kitchen is the emphasis on light and space. Crisp, white cabinetry dominates the scene, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. These cabinets often boast intricate detailing such as shaker-style doors, adding a touch of traditional craftsmanship to the overall aesthetic. The choice of white not only reflects light but also provides a clean canvas for other design elements to shine. Natural materials play a pivotal role in achieving the Hampton style. Wide plank hardwood floors, often in a light or neutral finish, contribute to the relaxed and coastal feel. Marble or stone countertops, with their veined patterns, add a luxurious touch while maintaining the overall sense of understated elegance. These materials, combined with a neutral color palette, create a serene and inviting environment. Open shelving is a characteristic feature that imparts a sense of casual sophistication to the Hampton-style kitchen. Displaying carefully curated dishes, glassware, or decorative items on these shelves adds a personal touch and breaks up the monotony of closed cabinetry. It encourages an organized yet lived-in feel, making the kitchen a warm and welcoming space. The focal point of a Hampton-style kitchen often revolves around a large central island. This multifunctional element not only serves as a practical workspace but also provides an opportunity for additional design elements. The use of pendant lights above the island, coupled with comfortable bar stools, creates a cozy gathering spot for family and friends. The color palette in a Hampton-style kitchen is characterized by a harmonious blend of whites, creams, and soft blues or grays. Subtle pops of color through decorative accents such as cushions, rugs, or even a vase of fresh flowers contribute to the coastal vibe without overwhelming the space. Finishing touches in a Hampton-style kitchen include classic hardware in brushed or polished nickel, adding a touch of vintage charm. Paneled appliances, farmhouse sinks, and beadboard detailing further enhance the timeless appeal of this design. In essence, a Hampton-style kitchen is a celebration of light, space, and coastal living. It seamlessly combines classic elements with a relaxed ambience, creating a kitchen that feels both sophisticated and inviting, a space where the love for timeless design meets the comfort of coastal living.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!